Hello all, welcome to episode number 27. And today, since yesterday was a big day for us, we had, as I mentioned you, there were some plumbing related things which were on the priority, which was to be executed in the kitchen area. So that has been successfully completed. It was actually a 2 days job, but fortunately because of proper planning and cooperation from the flat the flat owners below our site and even the above flat owners, it got completed in a day. So special thanks to the society members and the team of society plumbers, and as always thanks to my entire team. So that was the reason why we could expedite it and finish it in a day. So yes, so without wasting any more time, let's dive into today's video. So we are entering the flat. Because of the plumbing, extensive plumbing which was done yesterday, today also on account of Raksha Bandhan, there are very few members on our site, but since society allowed the work, so few workers are still there. So what you had rightly seen was the ceiling plaster which was completed. Curing is in process. This area, the entire plastering has been done. This is the designated area for the proposed washing machine and the dryer. Last video I had also cleared the windows are being covered by a second layer of protection with gunny bags, so that while plastering there is nothing falling in the duct area as well. This is the area which the patch plaster has been done. Now we are moving ahead. Last video I had already mentioned you that we'll be removing the loose ceiling plaster of the living and the dining area. So the plaster was extremely loose and we had to remove it completely. So removal of the loose plaster has been carried out today. Not today, it was totally a 3 days job, but today what you see here, it is all completed, majorly completed. This is the common bathroom area. This is the place where the vanity is going to be, and the rest will be the common bathroom. So chemical waterproofing for the waistcoat has been done. This is the first layer, the first chemical layer coat which you are seeing here. The rest is all plastering. Edges plastering also, I think I have covered in the last video which we were doing it yesterday. Now in this bedroom, it is only the curing which is going on, because plaster we had already completed it. So it's only the curing work which is happening in this bedroom at the moment. The 3Ds for the 3D designing for common bedroom, living room, dining area and the master bedroom is going on. So once we finalize that, then definitely there will be more work happening in all the 3 mentioned areas. Now we are entering the master bedroom. In the master bedroom, the edge plastering for the proposed balcony has been completed. This also was done yesterday. Here you see one more line of patch plaster which has been done. Now in this bathroom, the way we did chemical coating for the base waterproofing in the common bathroom, on the similar grounds we have started even here in this bathroom. What you see is the internal plumbing which is due for testing. Once the testing is done thoroughly, only then we'll be packing it with the plaster. So this is the chemical waterproofing coat which is done. Now once this is dried up, even we'll be filling both the pockets with water, so that to ensure the entire waterproofing first coat is completely in place. Post that, it will be followed by the brick pad waterproofing. So I hope guys you are enjoying the series, and it is even educating you with minor detailing which happens on site. This all work actually accounts for the entire completion of the project. That is how we take 4 to 5 months to complete one 2 BHK project. I mean, only when civil work is involved. Otherwise, the project gets completed usually in 2.5 to 3 months, depending on the quantum of the carpentry. But if it is a major work, if it is the entire renovation of the flat, which includes civil, plumbing, fabrication, then definitely for a 2 BHK, usually it takes a span of around 4 to 5 months, considering the public holidays, considering the silent hours, and considering Sunday being off. So this is the usual timeline which we follow on site. I hope you are enjoying the video, and if you feel it worth sharing, definitely share it with your friends and family members, so they also don't miss any on the they also don't miss on any updates as such. That's it for the day. Happy Raksha Bandhan to all, and thank you once again for watching. Thank you.